I ran out of hair oil, so I decided to make my own. So this is a fast and easy way of making avocado oil. I'm telling you guys, it's fast and it's easy and it doesn't, take a lot of time. And so I started off first with 2 avocados that are very ripe, and I just cut it in half, and then I just, take the inside of the avocado and just scoop it out, and then I will mash it. You see, just make sure you get all of the avocado out, because you don't want to waste the avocado. You want to make use of everything so that you will be able to get a lot of avocado oil. So the reason why that I decided to make avocado oil is because it's actually very great for your hair. For example, avocado oil is packed with vitamin A, E, B6 and C, and this oil is also very great for your scalp. It gets absorbed into your scalp easily, and you can use it for multiple things. For example, you can use it as a hot oil treatment, detangling in your detangling session, and also for your hair mask. And the benefits of avocado oil is that it reduces dandruff, prevents breakage, it makes your hair detangling session easier, and protects your hair from environmental damage. You see, so as you can see here, after frying the avocado oil for I think by now it was like 5 minutes in, you see, no, about 15 minutes in now, 15 minutes in, you'll see that the avocado reduced and it's dark green. And as you can see here, I just checked to see if there's oil. So that is how you know your avocado oil is ready. And you'll also be able to smell the oil in the air. So that is how you know your avocado oil is right, when you can start to smell it. You see, then it's ready. So as you can see here, I decided to strain the avocado oil. I used just a normal scarf, a scarf that's on the thin side, so that you don't have to do a lot of squeezing for the oil to come out. So yeah, as you can see, look at the color of the avocado oil compared to what we started with. It's on the dark side and it looks very thick, you see. So this is actually my very first time making avocado oil, so the fact that at this part I actually got super excited when I saw the oil come out, because let's be honest, whenever you see something online and you try it out, it never comes out the exact way you saw it. For example, when I was watching the videos of avocado oil, everyone's avocado, they burned it until it got brown. They said you have to wait for it to get brown. The one thing I realized is that if you let your avocado turn brown, then the color will also be brown. My point is, avocado is green, so it makes sense for the oil to be green, you see. So yeah, just keep that in mind. The longer you keep it in and it turns brown, the oil is also gonna turn out brown. So as you can see, I really was happy that I didn't waste avocado, because I really thought, what if it doesn't turn out to be avocado oil, you see. And I used the avocado skin to scoop out the oil and put it in the container, you see, which means I didn't really have to do a lot of dishes, you see, because I was able to use the avocado itself, you see. So as you can see, the avocado oil consistency is more like on the light side, you see. And I just added a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, because extra virgin olive oil is known as a natural conditioner. It helps to soften your hair, and it's also packed with vitamin A, and C, vitamin A, E and C, you see. And it's great for your hair, and it also easily gets absorbed in your hair, and also helps with scalp conditions, you see, and also helps irritating scalp, you see. So I just wanted to show you guys how the avocado oil turned out. You see, as you can see, the consistency is on the light side and it easily gets absorbed into your hair. Yes, it looks green, but it's not gonna like show at all, because it gets absorbed fast into your hair. You see, I just like massaged it into my hair, also my ends. This is like after I hydrated my hair, you see. Yeah. So for those wondering about the scent of the oil, does it have a strong scent? Not that really. It just smells like avocado that has been fried. Yeah, that is what it smells like. It's not overpowering at all. So yeah, I really like to do this technique to lay my hair flat, you see, because if I just go in brush my hair and leave it like that, I'll have flyaways. So for me, I prefer to use this method instead of using a lot of gels. I really don't like using gels on my hair. For me, this technique works. You see, hydrate your hair, moisturize it, and then you add a bit of oil, and then you just take a scarf and lay your hair down. Yeah, by the time I'm done getting dressed, and I take the scarf off, you'll see that my hair is flat. As you can see, yeah, my hair is flat. You don't even see like the oil residue at all. You see, it's flat. You don't see the oil residue at all because it got absorbed into my skin, and there's no flyaway hairs at all, and it's great on my hair. Yeah, so as you can see, this is a very easy way of making avocado oil. It's easy to follow, it's beginner friendly, and it's a very light oil. So if you feel like your oil is too heavy, then this oil, you guys, I recommend doing this oil. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I really hope to see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.